All right, so we're back in phase two. You guys can see I have my mirror behind me, but nonetheless, just wanted to come on real quick, show you guys my braid pattern. I don't know if you can see it in the back in the mirror, but yeah, that's what we're working with. I did oil my scalp. I just used this that I got from the Beach Spa store just to put the moisture on my scalp. So we're about to sew these bundles in real quick. I'm in a bit of a rush. The bundles look great. I'm super excited. I'll probably get a few clips of me sewing the hair in, and then come back with the final result. Okay guys, quick check in. So the first bundle is in. First bundle's officially in. I'm gonna work on the other two. I wanna be able to fit both, so I literally sew this bundle as tight to close together as possible. So yeah, let's keep going. Officially done. This is all that I didn't fit in out of the third bundle, which is really good because normally I can do like half of the third bundle. But I sewed this very close together because I wanted this sewing to be as full as possible. That's from me cutting. So I'm just about to style my leave out, and I'm in a rush, so then I gotta throw on my clothes. So I will show you guys. Babe, pause it.